Hello, today I'd like to talk to you guys about how to get to the databases from our website. First of all, I have to get the hair out of your mouth. Oh, God, horrible. Let me try that again. First of all, once you type in bit.ly/ejkingic, like I've done up here, and hit enter, you're going to get to our school's webpage for the library. Now, because I'm going to the databases, I click over here. It's going to prompt me to sign in with Google. I'm going to use my school Gmail. Logging in. It already knows I'm an EJ King. Here I sign in with Google. Use my school account, which I'm already signed in probably if you're on the school computer. If at home, you'll have to do that. And now you're going to get to our homepage for the audiobooks, the ebooks, and the databases. And once this thing loads, you'll see all kinds of fun stuff you can play around with here. We've got the graphic novels, categories, and lots of things. If you go up to the top, you'll see over here on the left, you have our main menu. And because I told you this would be about databases, I'm going to actually click on it. By the way, at the top, while that's loading, you'll see I have big descriptions of things up there, but this is what you probably really want. Skip the middleman, dude. Go straight to the main source. You have Gale, you have ABC Clio, and we have little descriptions of things, what's going on here. So social studies, this is basically your encyclopedia. Just keep going down here. Cavendish, which is a little bit of everything. Biology, chemistry, the periodic table, digital literacy, the news thing, which is, it's kind of what it is, but you have lots of fun things here. But the ones you'll probably be using the most, unless you're in a science class, are the ones up at the top. And even the science classes will be here. That's all I've got for you guys. That's all you need. Enjoy the databases. See me if you have any questions or need any help at all. Peace.